With Snap Schedule Premium, you can create open shifts, allow your employees to bid for the assignments they want, and then choose which bids to accept. First, go to the Manage tab, click on Employee Access, and check Allow Employees to Bid on Open Shifts. You can also choose how far ahead your employees can bid. I'll say 2 pay periods. Just click OK to save. Now, go to the Schedule tab and click on Shift View. Choose the column for the appropriate shift and right-click on an empty cell. Select Create Open Shift and choose which position you need to fill, for instance, a supervisor. You can also click on Positions in the sidebar, choose a position, and drag it onto your schedule. Notice that open shifts have a dotted outline. I'm planning to have someone work this shift, but I have not yet assigned it to any particular employee. Double-click to set special details about your new open shift. For instance, you can require more than 1 employee for this shift. You can click Adjust and change the start time, end time, and length of the shift. You can even make it an on-call assignment. You've already chosen what kind of position this shift requires, but you can check Skill and limit the shift to employees with a particular certification. Or check Reason and specify a shift assignment reason. For instance, if you need someone authorized to work on a particular contract. The potential bids will be updated automatically to show you how many of your employees match your criteria. You can also add a comment if you like. Then, click OK at the bottom. Employees can use any web browser or our mobile app to request the shifts they want. They'll choose Shift Bidding on the main menu for a list of available shifts. The Open Lock icon marks shifts that are open for bidding. They can choose a shift to see more details and then click Bid. They'll review the details and submit their request. The hourglass icon means their request is pending. They're waiting for you to approve it. If they change their mind, they can also reopen the shift and cancel their bid. Once your employees have had time to submit their bids, come back to the Schedule view and hover over your open shift, and you'll see how many employees you originally required, how many bids you've approved or rejected, how many are still pending, and how many spots you still need to fill. Double-click for more details, including a list of the bids for the shift. You can also go to the Schedule Outlook view and click on Pending Open Shift Bids underneath the graph for a list of all of the pending bids on all of your open shifts. Double-click on a bid to reach the same details page. The list of bids includes the name of each employee, the date and time when they placed their bid, any custom notes they entered, any validation errors. For instance, if the open shift overlaps with an employee's assigned shift, and the current status of their bid, in this case, pending. You can select a bid and approve it, or highlight a bid and reject it. Notice the color-coded icons, orange for pending, green for approved, red for rejected. And you can also highlight a bid and edit or delete it. To record a bid manually, for instance, if an employee spoke to you in person, just click Add. Then open the drop-down and choose the appropriate employee, or click Select and pick the employee from the grid. You can even assign the shift to a new employee. When you're done, just click OK. Once you approve an employee's bid, that employee appears on your schedule as a regular color-coded shift assignment. And once you've approved bids for as many employees as you required, the open shift is closed. Employees can go back to the shift bidding page on the website or on the mobile app and see whether their bids have been approved or rejected. If they're approved, the new shift also appears on their calendar. Finally, you can go to the Manage tab, click on Reports, and then click on Shift Assignments to generate reports on your open shifts. Choose Open Shift Details for a complete report on each open shift, including every employee who bid on it. You can also generate a summary of all of your open shifts. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit our website at www.bmscentral.com. untitled.com.